So let's understand how we can configure the mobile number as a multi-factor authentication for a Gmail account. So let me go to the Gmail account. I'm trying to log into a Gmail account which doesn't have the MFA enabled. So I'm going to my Gmail account. So it is asking me for a password. So if you observe it get into the inbox without any asking for any additional code. So let's go to the user account, manage your Google account. Go to the security. So here down we can see two-step verification. And you can see two-step verification is off. So click on this one. Come now, then you would see various ways you can have a two-step authentication process. One is on pass keys and security keys, Google prompt, then authenticator app, or phone number. So in this case, I'm just using a phone number as a simple so that we don't need any other configuration. I'm just selecting the phone number. I'm saying next, save it. Now it's saying you are now protected with the two-step verification process. Done. Now let me log out. Let me go back and see the configuration. Now security. Now we can see on the two-step verification process is on. Now let me sign out. Let me log in again. So I'm signing with the same account. Now, if you see this screen, it is prompting for a code. So without this code, I will not be able to log in to this Gmail account, or I'll not be able to access this Gmail account. So now I got the OTP on my mobile device. I'm just entering it, whatever I received it. Now we can see I can get into the Gmail account. So every time whenever I log in to my Gmail account, it keeps prompting me for password and OTP.